Hello guys, welcome to Sunseat Furniture. Welcome to our live stream. And today I'm going to introduce a chair which is used for the weddings events. And this chair is Botanica chair. And this chair is made of solid wood. And here the back is made of rattan. And you can see this color. This color is antique color. Antique color is very famous. It's very famous recently. And you can see here. This chair is stackable. You can check here. It can be stacked up to 9 to 10 chairs. So it will be save space when you storage them, when you transport the chairs, and also when you shift the chairs. When the chairs is stacked, you can save cost. You can save cost on the ocean freight. So this is a very popular design. And also this chair, the diameter of the legs, front legs, the back leg is 32 millimeters, and also for the back of the chair, you can if you don't like this one and don't like this design, the cross design, you can tell us your idea and we can customize. We can talk to our designer and see whether your clothes is workable. Okay, and also the color for this chair. We have many colors. We have color options. We can send to you. Then you can choose. You can choose one from our color options. And if you have your color in your mind, you can send us a picture. We can ask our painting guy to paint as what you send us, and we can confirm with you before we do the full production. Okay, and this chair can be a dining chair in the wedding. It also can be a restaurant chair in the restaurant, or in the hall banquet hall, or can be also can be used in the outside wedding. Right now people they prefer have their weddings in outside. Someone maybe they prefer have their weddings in the inside hall. So no matter outdoor or indoor, so this chair can be used. And also it can be also used at home in your dining room. In your dining room, you can use this chair as well. And also, this chair can be matched with your dining table, wooden dining table. So this is a best choice. And we have cushion. We have cushion for this chair if you need. We have two kinds of cushion. For the color, most people they will choose this color. This is the color number is number 3. Number 3 is a little darker than the ivory color. I'm gonna put on this chair and then you can see what is looking. Okay. Yeah. In the same time, I can introduce you a cushion as well. Okay. And you can see the thickness of this cushion is 2.5 centimeters. It's high density foam. And here this is the zipper. Okay, and the fabric is polyester. And also you can wash it. You can wash the cushion. You can take out the foam and then wash the cover. This cover will not get shrink after you wash it. So it's the best choice. Here you can see that there is a tie. You can you can tie it on the back legs. And also here, if you don't like the ties design, we can also use Velcro. Okay, I'm gonna put the cushion on the chair, and then you can see all the details. Okay. And the thickness of this cushion, most of the people, they choose 2.5. But if you require 4 centimeters thickness or 5, that is fine. We can do. But most of people, they choose 2.5. Okay. And we have many colors. This is it's like a dark ivory, and this is the white color. Same material and the same thickness, only the color is different. Okay. And if you don't like this color and this color, we have options. We have color options for the cushion. We can send to you, and then you can choose one from them. Okay. And I'm gonna put the white cushion on the chair. Then you can look. Now you can see I have this white chair, a white cushion on the chair. But most people, they choose this color because the white color is easy and dirty. So but this chair is like a little bit dirty, so you cannot see it because the color is dark, right? So anyway, you can choose white, or you can choose this one, or you can choose the color from our color options. And I'm gonna test the chair static loading capacity. Okay. I'm gonna take the chairs down, and then stand on the chair, and then shake it. I'm gonna stand on the chair and shake it, and then you can see the chair's the stability. Okay. I'm gonna sit on the chair and shake it. See? It's very stable. So you're not going to fall down or from the chair when you sit. So it's very stable, okay? And if you want to get more information about this chair, then you can leave a message, you can contact us. And also, the important thing of this chair, maybe people, they worry about when I don't want this chair, when the chair is broken, how can I solve this chair? This chair is recyclable. Wood is recyclable. It's not like just one time use. Okay. And let me know what chair you want to see, and then send a picture on chair manager, and then I will introduce you. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.